Today, Navi is doing injections of our patient's lips, and she is using a hyaluronic acid filler to just give our patient some hydration and some lift. Filler in the lips can look ridiculous, but I always tell people at Rejuvenation MD, we are not going to duck you up. And then I laugh because it's funny, but
Every time
I laugh. For our patient today, we put some numbing cream on her, and she, I'm sure, is loving that because it makes it a much more tolerable procedure. So today, her lips are going to look fabulous, and then tomorrow they'll look really swollen. The next day they'll be less swollen, and the third day she'll wish she got more. So we always say it's a process, and here we always have people come back in about a week to take a look and see how the filler looks. And then we can always even it out. We can mold it if there's any lumps or bumps, or just do more, which is typically what people do. And really, the amount of filler that's in a syringe is the equivalent to 1/5 of a teaspoon. So we're not doing a ton. You can see it looks really cute.
nice and natural is our goal.
Yeah. Let nobody know. So afterwards, she may have some bruising. She's definitely going to be swollen. But I would tell our patient, do not suck on any straws, small bottle tops, things like that where you're compressing your lips, because we don't want to smush it down. Lip filler is like water on a dry sponge. So if you push the water, it's going to go right off that dry sponge. If you just let the water disseminate into the dry sponge, it goes in evenly and looks and distributes evenly. So we don't want to do anything that's going to make that water come off the dry sponge for at least 3 to 4 days. So you really want to try to, like I said, stay away from small bottle tops and straws and things for at least 3 or 4 days, and preferably up to a week. But lip filler can last you for a year. It really depends on how much you put in there. If you just put a little bit and you go, oh yeah, it looks okay, then that's not what's going to last you for a year. But if you put enough that you're like, oh my gosh, I look amazing, that's going to last you for a year. It also depends on how much you use your lips. If you are a smoker or straw user, you're going to work it a lot more and you're going to go through it faster.